Tracy, Richard the Brett, and Hugh de Morville slipped away into the night and made their way to England.
Well, now, to show the influence of a snake and a snake's spell.
I think this is the BBC. How you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and it's 4:48 p.m. here in Clearwater, Florida, or 48 UTC. And I'm using my SDR Play 1, my G5 RV antenna. It's overcast right now. We've been having a lot of rain. It's not raining at the moment. And I picked up this station, and I think it's the BBC. I typically do not receive the BBC. I don't know why, but I think I'm getting it right now. So if you know for sure if this is the BBC, and I'm going to play it a little longer so you can hear what's going on, but it sounds like they're talking about stuff in the UK. So let me switch it back on and let you listen.
Forgiving you is easy, but forgetting takes the longest time. No, I know, I'm a preacher, not a singer, but that's an old Willie Nelson song. When you love the snake, you forgive them. You shouldn't, but you do. And then you have a hard time forgetting them until you finally wise up and figure out they wasn't them to begin with. It was all an act, all an illusion. They were from the very beginning. Don't you ever have compassion on the loss of a snake, the destruction of a snake. I'll teach more on that too. And coming messages on our Scriptures for America tape ministry.
Okay, now he's saying things that would give me a hint that it's one of the preacher stations in the United States. Although in SDR Uno, as you can see on the screen, I'm filtering on this frequency, which is 9.48. And these are the possibilities of things that could be on. Could be China Radio. I don't think that's it. Could be BBC, which I thought it was initially when I first started recording this about 10 minutes ago, because he was talking about some things in the UK. Still not sure. And then there's a couple other ones it could be. So if you are familiar with this particular broadcast and can tell us what you think the station is and where it is, we would appreciate it. So that's about it. I'll let it play for a little while longer, and then I'll stop the recording. Here we go.
And the snakes higher up, those back there at the Vatican, they couldn't allow what you've got to do with snakes to be done. And so they had to come back. The battle goes on, actually, between Becket and the king.
The news of Becket's death quickly spread, and before very long he was being venerated as a martyr. And the king's involvement in this couldn't be ignored.
Okay, hopefully somebody can recognize that program and can tell us what it is and whether it's the BBC. As you can see, there's a couple other strong signals nearby here. We can just select them for a second here. Oh, look at that one walking down. He's just walking down the road there. Let's turn the mute off.
You certainly made a prime jackass of yourself on the air.
It was your fault, Hooker. Why didn't you tell me they wanted money?
Well, I tried to. Maybe after this you listen to me. You can't run a campaign without money.
Yeah.
That sounds like an old-time radio show, and SDR Uno database is showing that it's either China Radio or Radio Free Asia. Again, possibly two stations, in this case, from Asia. Let's look at that last one, and then we'll call it quits, which is over here. And it says it's China radio or All India radio. Let's turn the volume back on. That one is a little bit more noisy and hard to understand. It kind of sounded like an India dialect or accent. Not sure. A 9.575. Again, if you got any hints or ideas what these stations might be, please leave a comment below this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.